Today we're talking about rate of change and slope. Slope is equal to the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. So the vertical change is the rise and the horizontal change is the run. We can see the graph of this line, and this line passes through ordered pair -1, 1 and ordered pair 4, 3. So if we want to find the slope, we have to find the rise and the run. We can start. There are several ways we can find the slope. Because this is a graph line, we can actually count and find our slope. So I went from one ordered pair to the other, and I can see that my rise, my vertical change from this point to this point is 2. One, 2. I can see that the horizontal change, the run, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So slope would be equal to 2/5. Another way to find this is to use the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 to find the change in both the vertical and the horizontal. So we've got both ordered pairs. We're going to label one ordered pair as 1, so x sub 1, y sub 1, and the other ordered pair as ordered pair number 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. If we take this and substitute into this equation, y sub 2 is 3 minus y sub 1, which is 1, over x sub 2, 4, minus -1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 minus -1 is 5. We get the same slope, 2/5. If we have to find the slope of the line that passes through ordered pair -2, 1 and ordered pair 5, 7, what do we have to use? The formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we can call this ordered pair x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, and we would substitute 7 minus 1 over 5 minus -2. This means 6/7. Can you try this next one? Find the slope of the line that passes through ordered pair 2, 5 and 4, 7. A horizontal line has a slope of 0, so let's see why. If we take these two ordered pairs, and we can take any two ordered pairs on the line, we could say that this is -2, -2, 6, and this is 2, 6. So we know that slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If this is our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. This means 6 minus 6 over 2 minus -2. This is equal to 0/4. 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. And we can see that a horizontal line always has a slope of 0. If we have a vertical line, yes, a vertical line, not very straight, let's try it again. A vertical line is an undefined slope. So let's see why the vertical line has an undefined slope. We're using the same formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We take two ordered pairs on this line. You can say 0, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can say, negative 5, 0, and negative 5, negative 1. So we've got x1, y1, x2, y2. So we would say y sub 2 would be negative 1 minus 0 over negative 5 minus negative 5. This means negative 1 divided by 0. We cannot divide anything by 0. Therefore, it's undefined.